Namaste children. Today in this session number 31, we are going to discuss fourth main under worksheet 6 under the chapter operations on rational numbers. Question number 4 is find 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 7 and modulus of minus 4 by 7. Between these two rational numbers, we have to find 5 rational numbers. In the previous mains, we have solved or found a rational number between two rational number. We know how to find a rational number between the two rational numbers given. Here, if one of the rational number is x, the other rational number is y. To find out the rational number between these two rational number, how do you find out children? By writing 1 by 2 into x plus y. So we are going to divide the two rational numbers. We are going to add and then divide by 2. Now to find 5 rational numbers, we are following 5 steps children. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In first step, we are going to find the rational number between the two given rational numbers as we do before. Then we get one rational number here, right? Then in the second step, between these two rational number, we are going to find one more rational number, and between these two we are finding one more rational number. This is the third step. Then after we get the two rational numbers here, again we are going to find the rational number between these two and these two in step number 4 and 5. Let us see one by one. In step number 1, we are going to find out the rational number between minus 4 by 7 and what is absolute value of minus 4 by 7 children? It is 4 by 7, because when we find absolute value of any given rational number, we have to neglect the negative sign. So the other rational number is 4 by 7. Between these two rational numbers, we can find a rational number. We have to write 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Get cancelled, you are left with 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So the middle rational number we get is 0 between these two rational numbers. Now in the second step, we have to find the rational number between minus 4 by 7 and 0. 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 7 added to 0, or 0 added to any number gives the same number, minus 4 by 7. Here cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are, minus 2 by 7 is the rational number we get between minus 4 by 7 and 0. The step 3, we are going to find a rational number between 0 and 4 by 7. 1 by 2 into 0 plus 4 by 7. 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 we get 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer left is 2 by 7. Now we have found 2 by 7 between these two rational numbers. Step number 4, we are going to find a rational number between minus 2 by 7 and 0. It will be exactly in the middle children. So we are going to divide, that is 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 7 and plus 0. Answer is minus 2 by 7. 2 ones are minus 1 by 7 is the rational number between these two rational numbers. The last step, number 5, 1 by 2 into 0 plus 2 by 7. Any number added to 0 is the same number, 2 by 7. Cancel 2 ones are 2 ones are. In 1 into 1, 1 by 7. So the fifth rational number we have found out is 1 by 7. In this way, between these two rational numbers which are given to us, we have found out the 5 rational number. The 5 rational numbers we have found out are minus 2 by 7, 1 by 7, 0, 1 by 7, and the next one is 2 by 7. In the same way, we are going to find 5 rational numbers between minus 8 by 3 and modulus of minus 8 by 3. Modulus of minus 8 by 3 is 8 by 3. Neglecting negative sign, we are going to write only the rational number. Step number 1, 1 by 2 into minus 8 by 3 and 8 by 3. When we add the 2 inverse, we get 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Step number 2, 1 by 2 into, here you can draw the number line to make it easy, children. The given rational numbers are minus 8 by 3 and 8 by 3. Between these two, we are finding 5 rational numbers. So the first we get is 0. Now in the second step, between these two rational number, 1 by 2 into minus 8 by 3 plus 0, which is minus 8 by 3. Cancel here, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, minus 4 by 3 is the rational number we get between these two rational numbers. Now between these two, 1 by 2 into 0 plus 8 by 3, 0 added to any rational number is the same rational number. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 4 by 3 is the next rational number. Now the other two rational number we find out between these two and these two. 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 0, which is minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, minus 2 by 3 is the rational number. Step number 5, 1 by 2 into 0 plus 4 by 3, which is 4 by 3. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, is equal to 2 by 3 is the fifth rational number. So the rational numbers between minus 8 by 3 and 8 by 3 are minus 4 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 0, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Children, next is value based questions. Rohit donated 1 by 5 of his monthly income to an non-government organization, that is NGO, working for the education of the girl child. Spent 1 by 4 of his salary on food. So he is monthly income. Rohit is donating 1 by 5 of his salary to an NGO, children. Do we know how much is the salary of Rohit? No, we don't know. So in this question, we have to write, let the total salary of Rohit be X. Now in this X, he is donating 1 by 5 of X, that is 1/5 of his salary to an NGO. So what we write here, he donated to NGO 1 by 5 of his salary. His salary we have taken as X. So 1 by 5 into X is X by 5. The next statement, he is spending 1 by 4 of his salary on food. So 1 by 4 of his salary means X. 1 by 4 of X. 1 by 4 into X, which is equal to X by 4. Then he is spending on rent 1 by 3 of his salary. So 1 by 3 of X is equal to X by 3. Then the other expenses. How much he is spending? 1 by 15 of his salary. That is 1 by 15 of X, which is X by 15. So these are the expenses he is spending out of his salary, that is X. Now he is left with rupees 1000. The total salary is X and the total expenses are these. Now when we take out the total expenses from the total salary, we get 9000. So we have to form a statement, children, here. Total salary, that is X minus whatever the expenses are here, we are taking them. We are going to subtract these total expenses from the total salary, and what is his remaining money, children? That is 9,000. Before going to solve this, let us know what is his total expenses. So what we are doing here, children, total expenses means all these expenses we have to add. X by 5 plus X by 4 plus X by 3 plus X by 15. Now to make the denominator common, we are going to take out the LCM for 5, 4, 3 and 15. If we have to take any prime number here, 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. Then I take 3 ones are, then we are going with the 2. The last again is 2 ones are 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. So LCM we get here is 60. Right? LCM here 60. Now 5 how many times is 60, children? 12 5s are 60. So into 12 I write in the numerator. 4 15s are 60. 3 20s are 60. 15 4s are 60. 12 into x is 12x, 15x, 20x and then 4x. All these numerator we are going to add. 12 plus 15, 15 plus 20, 20 plus 4 is 51x divided by 60. Now we take this statement, children, here. X minus the total expense is 51x by 60 is equal to 9,000. Now we have to solve this equation for x. Children, x means nothing but x by 1. LCM again here is 60. 1 how many times is 60, children? 1 60s are 60. 60 how many times is 60? 60 ones are 60. 60 into x is 60x minus 51 into 1 is 51 as it is. Here x is equal to 9,000. 60x minus 51x is 9x divided by 60 is equal to 9,000. Here what happens, children? Here the fraction is 9 by 60. That is here it is 9 by 60 into x is equal to 9,000. So I want the value of x into 9 by 60. When I send it to the right hand side, it will become divided by 9 by 60. Now how do we write 9,000? Convert into division sign to multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the second rational number, 60 by 9. The same I have written here, children. 9,000 into 60 by 9. Cancel with the 9 table. 9 ones are 9 again. 3 zeros as it is. So x is equal to 1000 into 60, which is equal to 60,000 rupees, is equal to x. What we have taken x as total salary. So Rohit's total salary is rupees 60,000. That is what question number A is, children. Find Rohit's monthly salary. In this way, first we have to assume the total salary of Rohit as x. Then we have to find the total expenses, subtract the total expense with the total salary, with which is remaining is 9,000. You have to form an equation and find the value of x, children. In question number B, what values of Rohit are depicted here? So he has taken care of the girl child. So care of girl child, and he is also helping them by donating some money to the NGO. So helping nature I have written here. you can write on your own. Next is, why is the education specially for girls important for overall development of girls? Children, in this session we have discussed about the fourth question number under worksheet 6, and we have also solved value based question under the chapter operations on rational numbers. Hope you have understood well, children. Thank you.